Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to have plum, sweet plum. Oh, it's a sweet plum, very big one. And this is a sweet plums, and we have salt and knife. That's it. Okay, before eating, let's pray. Amen. And this plum is from Mau, I guess, all the way from Mau. Mau. If you stay in Manipur, you will know Mar. Mar Hilo Mau. Mau get. Did you? And I'm still in our village. Okay, let's have our first bite. Fishy bite. Okay. So sweet. Are. Ooh, this is so beautiful. Let's give it the bite. Oh, nghiệp Hà giật tà lộ. So good. If you want this, market the lane model, very many, lots of plum. Cái hiệp độ chút bọc tiếng kìa. Who the hell is coming?
Uh-oh.
Yummy. This is so good. The big one. If we can remove this, the cover, it will be good. Because this gave me zing to my
Oh no.
teeth. Cũng này thổ con cắn mặt lắm. Thì được rồi. Psyllium, so we have to cut it off. The một lê lo vì xí đều đó hả cô sợ sao đâu. Let's remove the cover. Oh, here it is. Yummy. Chỉ có vật lão mà sợ kỹ ngồi đàn thật rồi. Thuộc thị. Let's remove the cover, okay? Cái chém trái lẽ hìm lâu đàn hết. Tôi kỹ ạt lẽ ạt bụt buồn nữa. Let's hit it, baby. Come on, like melts up my. This is so yummy. I can't stop eating. I am doing mukbang in rainforest. Yummy. A black ko to ito. Mihingle a black arasi unjigo arasi ungola ho. Last samjong thugo. Gole hai golo, kele hai golo, body. Last time to took sekuen dio, but it's so yummy. Okay. Samida oppa sarange. Tui tâm nè. Chỉ khát thắt ở cái hộp là cái con làm hẹ hẹ. My little bro made for me this one for my bookmark table. Oh, something there. That my aliens, my ex-husband, my boyfriend, that one is my brother. Okay, don't get me wrong. Don't get us wrong. Yummy. Dịu cho lấy phật tàn tính. Okay. Cứ cầm đã. Okay, last bite. Let's hit for the last one. Last bite, okay, guys. Choke on a bit. Tui thâu. The chol This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Tam zo kan zo. Ni hat betom. I'll keep for my family members this one, okay? And if you like it, please give a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Bye. Chào con tâm tân lui.